Welcome students to Shet Vidya Mandir English High School SSC online audio video lessons. I am Nidhi Srivastava. Today I am going to teach you computer subject for standard 2nd, chapter number 3, keyboard. So let's start. C. Computer system. It shows monitor, mouse, keyboard and system unit, that is CPU. We all have seen this in our computer lab. Keyboard. This is the pic of keyboard. The keyboard is a device that consists of a number of keys. It helps us to type on the computer. We can type by pressing keys on the keyboard of a computer. Whatever we type on the keyboard appears on the monitor. We all have used keyboard in our computer lab or as well as in our house also. Quality keyboard. A keyboard generally has 104 keys. Quality keyboard is the most commonly used keyboard these days. It is so called because the first 6 alphabet keys present on the keyboard are Q, W, E, R, T and Y. That is quality. See here, green color keys Q, W, E, R, T, Y. Okay. Now you see this in your keyboard. That's why it is called quality keyboard. Next is cursor control keys. The cursor is a small blinking line on the monitor. It shows the position of the next letter or number to be entered on the screen. The cursor looks like this: single line, big line. The cursor control keys, also called the arrow keys, are used for moving the cursor on the monitor. The arrow marked on the keys shows the direction in which the cursor moves. See, these are the cursor control keys. You have seen this on your keyboard. Backspace key. When pressed, the backspace key erases anything typed on the left side of the cursor. Let us correct the spelling mouse to mouse. Position the cursor before E and then use the backspace key to erase the extra S. This is the symbolic image of backspace key. You have seen this on your computer system. Next is delete key. See, this is image of key. When pressed, the delete key erases anything typed on the right side of the cursor. For example, you need to correct the spelling of floppy, Floppy to Floppy floppy. Position the cursor after L and then use the delete key to erase the extra O. Next is caps lock. This is the caps lock key. When the caps lock key is on, all the alphabets that are typed appear in capitals on the monitor. Caps word is the short form of capital letter. For example, if you want to type the word mouse in capital letter, it will appear as mouse on the monitor if your caps lock key is on. When the caps lock key is off, the alphabets that are typed appear in lowercase on the monitor. Okay, next time you try this on your computer system with keyboard. Next key is num lock key, that is numeric lock key. Can you see the numeric keyboard shown on the right side of the keyboard? To use this keyboard, the num lock key should be on. See, this is the pic of num lock key which is available in your keyboard. Next is shift key. This is the symbolic image of shift key. The shift key is used along with other keys. There are 2 shift keys on the keyboard and both of them have the same function. Do you know how to type characters like star, % or $? It is done using the shift key. When you want to type the upper symbol on any of the keys, use the shift key. The shift key also helps you to type the alphabets in uppercase or lowercase. For example, when the caps lock key is off, press the shift key with the alphabet key P to type capital P. When the caps lock is on, press the shift key with the alphabet key capital P to type small p. You should try these things in your keyboard. Next is tab key. This is the symbolic image of tab key. The tab key is present on the left side of the keyboard. It moves the cursor to the right by many spaces. For example, type your first name and then press the tab key. See, the cursor moved by many spaces. Now type your last name. Example, Nidhi, press key, tab key, space, Srivastava. Typing name using the tab key. Okay, you should try this. Next key is escape key. In short, ESC key, escape. See, this is the symbolic image of escape key. The escape key is used to close a menu or a dialog box. It is present on the upper left corner of the keyboard. For example, if you have clicked the start button by mistake and do not want to work with the start menu, just press the escape key and the menu will disappear. Thank you, dear student. Try these keys in your computer system.